Thank you. Oh, you know those taxi drivers that are like really like jerky, left, right, stop, start. Just really feel really ill. Just going into LV Customs to see what Ludo and his team have put together as we pick up the SCR950 after its tank respray. So I can't give a big enough shout out to Ludo and his team at LV Customs. They were incredible from start to finish. It was about a week turnaround. They could have done it quicker, but I said there's no rush at all. And especially over COVID-19 with restrictions, etc., they were excellent and kept in contact with me the whole time. In terms of designs, I did look at a number of other bikes. I'll put a few up on the screen now. So I looked at different colours, whether that's changing the red to the yellow or mixtures of black and yellow, and looked at completely different design works. And I wanted to take a couple of bits of inspiration, such as that chrome air filter. This one with the beach sort of bars and the navy blue tank looked incredible. And this bike from Anton Clement, which is half matte black, I have a tank bag and thought that actually this is going to really scratch it up. But I think that bike looks incredible. And this final one looked brilliant from a sort of a touring perspective, looked very old school, and I may copy this sort of the pannier and back design of this bike. So yeah, again, if you want to discuss any sort of design works, please get in contact with Ludo at LV Customs if you're in South London, and he'll walk you through the whole process. So again, thank you very much to their team. So that's it for this video. Hit like if you like the video, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in the next one.